Isaiah, remember what happened yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
Remember you fell there? You're very lucky you didn't hit your face on the chair. Can you please come down?
But I want to see what this.
But you can't here.
What are you doing?
Teaching you secret.
But what is teacher's first name?
Isaiah, come on. Okay, come let's go. Let's go sit down. Let's go sit down. Let's go sit down. Come. Hi. Hi, good morning. Who's here yet? Nicholas, Jeremy, Jia En. Two other people here. Okay, go with your friends, huh? Who has not voted yet? Denzel, Bianca, Arun, Raihan, Gerald, Zed, Emmy, Lucas, and Max. Hello, Longy. You can get. Zen, I have I have sent something over, like to your house. I think it's in the mail because we can't go over to your house now. Okay, I'll start in about 5 minutes. So, what to do, Zen? You don't have your stuff. You have to wait for it. The mail is coming on the way. Okay. I'm busy. Hello. Okay. Then okay. Hmm. Um, I have 10 people watching. Let's wait until there's 25 or something. Okay. Does anybody have Denzel's number? Anybody got Denzel's number? Ryan? Oh no, not Ryan. Arun. Good morning, Arun. How are you? Denzel don't have SIM card, huh? So I have to call his house. Yeah, I can't call him on Instagram. He is late. He has been late. Joshua has been waking up late as well. No worries, I'll call your parents. Hmm? Uh, who is Ray Angel Place? So I know who you are. Yes, Ray Angel Place. Who's that? Ah, I see. Morning, Jordan, are you here yet? Morning. Okay, it's 8:20. Let me go and drink something and I'll be back, okay? Excuse me. You see yourself on YouTube, is it? Okay, I'm going to start soon, yeah? And you think you have to see yourself? If you write it very fast, can come out. Wait. Okay. Hey, can you see yourself? Okay, sorry, that was my boy. Haida, are you in my class? You are not in, good morning to you, but you are not in my math class, right? So you don't have to be here. You can stay if you want to, but I suggest you go to Miss Lowe's lesson. Okay, now let me check who has not done your temperature taking yet. Okay, temperature taking, let's see. All right, let me just read out, okay, who has not done temperature taking. Denzel, Gerald, Joshua, Caden, Joe, Max, and Raihan. Okay, all these people have not taken the temperature. All right. So if you're here, or can you please tell them who's that Joe and all that. But I'm going to start a lesson now. Okay, I'm not waiting anymore. Okay. Now, very simple. Today, I'm going to go through the difficult questions for review, for chapter 7 review, and also like some difficult questions for the chapter 4, the word problems. Okay, first, let's take a look. I'm going to go through some, okay, for chapter 7 review, the one I just marked. I'm going to go through some of the difficult problems, and after we finish, maybe some difficult ones, one or two from a practice for the difficult ones, okay? So now I'll take out your chapter 7 review. Okay. Let's start with question 9. All right. For question 9, can those here tell me who has problems? Who have problems with question 9? If you have no problems with question 9, then I'll move on to question 10. Okay, good morning, Roy. How are you? Okay. Start question 9, okay? Okay, the ratio of parameters of two squares is 1 to 2. Okay, so larger square and smaller square. All right. Let's do the smaller one first. We have one small square. We have one large square. And they tell you is the perimeter of small square. Okay. And perimeter of large square. This is 1 to 2. Okay. Now, then they tell you, okay, let me do this here. So 1 to 2 here. 1 to 2. How about that? Okay. Everybody got it? All right. Just give me a minute. Yes. Okay, it's all right.
Why? I can't see you.
Okay, sorry about that. Everybody okay now? Okay. Now, so the perimeter of the largest square, okay, largest square is how many cm? 16 cm. So just right here, perimeter of largest square is 16 cm. All right. And Rohit, since you asked, how does 2 become 16? Rohit, your question. How does 2 become 16? How does 2 become 16? Rohit? Huh? By 6? I don't understand. What do you mean by 6, Rohit? How does 2 become 16? We're waiting for you. Okay, one more chance, Rohit. 2 times 6. Are you sure it's times 6? What? Now, how do you get this? You do 16 divided by 2 equals, what is 16 divided by 2? Now, don't worry, we all get careless mistakes sometime. But, very good. 16 divided by 2 is 8, right? So 2 times 8. Okay, this is 2 times 8 is 16. So the other side will be times 8 as well. All right, so what does that mean? That means, okay, they asked for what is the length of one side of the smaller square. You actually want to find out what is this. But now, 8 cm, this plus this plus this plus this is 8. And all these sides. Okay, so look very carefully, all right? I'm just going to show you in a simple way. This plus this plus this plus this goes to 8. So what is one side? All right, it's quite simple because it's a square. How you do this is 8 divided by 4 goes to 2. All right, and 2 is the answer. So, yep, 8 divided by 4, the answer for one side of the square is actually 2 cm. See, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. Answer equals to 8 cm. All right, don't forget your units. I'll leave this here 1 minute for you to copy down. Don't forget this. All right.
I don't want to do
Okay, you're done. 2 actually is 2, not 8. Max, you just woke up or something? Go and do your temperature taking before coming here. Okay? Mr. Tan is actually 2, not 8. I don't understand. Oh, sorry. Thank you. 2 cm. Okay. All right. Good. Okay, so make sure answer is 2 cm here. All right, I'd like to ask, you tell me which questions in your review Chapter 7 review, you have problems understanding. I give you all the answers, right? So, yes, answer is 2. Thank you, Max. But now, all this, out of all this, which questions you don't understand? Okay, please type it down so I know which ones to go through with you. I know a lot of you don't understand question 10, so I'm ready for that. But you tell me any other questions other than question 10. I'll go through question 10. But any other questions that you have? Okay, type that down. Oh, okay, temperature taking. Who is not in yet? I have okay, I have to call Joshua and Hayden. Okay, question 6 and question 10. Okay, let's take a look at question 6 first, shall we? Question 10 is one of the difficult ones. Let's see. Okay. Who is Hero Brian? Is that Denzel? Okay, I'll just do a quick one for question 6, alright? Okay, first there were 42 boys and 28 girls in a photography club. Then 6 more girls joined the club, so plus 6 girls. This is 34, right? Now you have 34 girls join the club. What is the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in the end? In the end, so you have 42 here. Okay, you have 34 here. Now, when you get questions like this, very simple. First thing you want to do, divide by. You can see these are even numbers, so divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. Divide by you. One side divide by 2, the other side must divide by 2. Okay, so this is 21, 17. All right, so it's quite simple. There's the answer. All right. Okay. Yes, don't be careless. Joshua, good morning. Joshua, you need to go to and one more thing, Joshua. Please wake up early. I've been monitoring your temperature the last few days. You have not been there. For my maths as well, you have not been there. I don't need to call your parents, right? So please wake up at 7:30. Take your temperature, by 8. Yes, Joshua. Can you do that? Can you please answer me? Can you do that? How do I make sure it's simplified? Okay, very good question, Max. 21 and 17. Now, this goes back to your primary 3 knowledge. What are the, let's use this question now, okay? What are the factors for 21? Okay, 1, okay, of course 1. 21 can divide by 3, yes. Also 7, right? And 137, that means 137, 3 times 7 is 21. Anything else? No. So you have 21. Okay, now what else? 17. What are the factors? Are there any factors? Yes, okay, it's 1 and 17. Now ask yourself, between 1 and 7, this and this, what are the common factors? Common factors, if the common factors are just 1 and 1, okay, 3, 7, 21, 17, there are no other common factors other than 1, that means it is simplified. Understand? Okay, what if, let's say, I change this to 18? Okay, answer was 21 and 17, but let's say if it's 18. Okay, Max, now, so what is this? 1, 3, 3 times 6, right? And 18. No, actually, wait, there's a lot more. 18 is quite a lot of factors. 2 and 9. What else? Anything else? No. So what are the common factors now? 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So what happens? If there are more common factors, so what you can do is you can divide by 3 some more. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. And that gives you 21 divided by 3 is 7. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, so you want to look out for common factors. It's almost like your fractions. Alright, you have 21 over 18. You have to divide by 3, divide by 3, right? And you get 7 over 6. Something like that. It's quite similar to your fractions. Okay, understand, Max? Aries, good morning. Did you just join up? All right, if those who are late, who have just joined up, very simple. What you need to do is you can go back, to this stream. I will erase. There are some live streams. I think they cut me off because some music was playing. So I'll delete those that are not needed. I'll only put those that are necessary. Okay. Can I erase some? Okay. Now the difficult question is question 10. So are you all ready for that? Let me get a piece of paper. Big question, question 10. Okay, give me a minute. Morning. Okay, let's go for Reinhard. Yes, because I monitor this. Now, the thing about overlap, this question may come on PSLE, right? Now, what does it mean when you have an overlap? Okay, let's say this piece of paper, let's give it 20 square centimeters. Okay, maybe this is 5, this is 4. But what 20 square centimeters. Now let's say I have another piece of paper. Okay? Same piece of paper? Same or not? Alright. Okay, stop talking, stop chatting. Listen to me now. This is 20 square centimeters. This will also be 20 square centimeters, right? Correct? Total, how many squares? Okay, oh yeah, I should get some magnets, huh? I don't have magnets. Yeah, no magnets. Okay. Total, how many square centimeters are there? 20 plus 20 equals to 40. Okay, so now when they ask you the previous question, the ratio of the unshaded area of total area A before the overlapping, okay, wait, the ratio of the unshaded area, which is this one here, unshaded area to the total area of square A and rectangle B before the overlapping. So when they talk about before overlap, means like this. Okay, you get the total. But now, what happens is I'm going to do an overlap. Look very carefully on this. I'm going to turn this over so you don't get so confused. Oops. Like that as well. Now, what if I overlap? This 20, this 20, right? Let's say down here. Look very carefully. Let's say this is maybe, let's make it easy, 8 square centimeters. Okay? Come on, stop talking. Listen to this. If let's say this is 8 square centimeters, what is this area? If this was 20, what is this area outside? Come on, 12 square centimeters, right? And same for this. If this is 8 square centimeters, this is 12 square centimeters also. How do you get that? Because 12 plus 8 is 20. Now, I want you to take a look at this one very simple thing. Just now, we had 20 plus 20 equals to 40. Let's see how we could get 40, okay? Using 12, 8, and 12. How do we get 40? 12 plus 8 is what? 12 plus 8 is 20, right? 20 plus 12? 32. What's missing? Okay, look very carefully at what Mr. Tan is showing you. 12, okay, let's separate. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8, okay, equals to 20, right? Plus another 12. What's missing? I want to get 40. How do I get 40? I want to get 40. Plus what? This is 32, correct? So 32 plus 8. Where did that 8 come from? Look at where the 8 comes from. How do I get 40? It comes from here. Okay. Another, oops, sorry. Comes from another 8 cm here. So how do I get 40? How do I get the total? 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus another 8. That's how I get 40. Alright. So now with this, I want to introduce you the concept of what they call a double overlap. Double overlap. How did I get the total of this thing? 20, 20, right? I told you this 20, 20. How did I get 20, 20? Very simple. I took, and don't forget, when I do overlap, this was the shaded side, right? Just like our workbook. Now, how do I get 40 is 12, the unshaded, plus the shaded, plus the unshaded here, but plus one more shaded. See? One more shaded here. Okay? If you understand this, then I'll go on to the question. Right? How did I get the total area? Total area when I separate is unshaded, unshaded, 2 times overlap. Okay? Alright here. 2 times overlap. So that you understand. Okay? Get this idea straight in your head. Okay? 2 times overlap. This is not easy question. Okay, let me draw the question out. Okay, where is the overlap? Okay, now the ratio. Okay, I'm going to write this all the way up, alright, so that it's less confusing. Hey, sorry. Ratio of the unshaded area to total area of A and B before overlap. Now, why you take a look at this? Where is the unshaded area? And it's 17 to 23, right? Okay, I want to ask one thing. Now, 17, where is the unshaded area? Is this part, okay? And this part. So, just like just now question, where's the unshaded area? You see, unshaded area is 12 and 12. So I want to see the unshaded area. It's here and here. Now, what is the total area of A and B before overlap? It is like that. Huh? So before overlap, I want to separate it out. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to separate it out. Okay, so the total area, I want you to imagine, you don't have to do this. Okay, this is actually quite a simple problem. But you want to think total area of A and B before overlap. So it's actually this square. Sorry, messed it up. So actually the square, I should put this in purple, right? Square. Okay, sorry, the scale is not the same, but you know I'm what I'm trying to do, okay? I'm trying to separate out the square and the rectangle. Alright? So, I want to ask you a question. In my word problem, I did it, in my answer, I did it quite fast, but I'll slow down a bit for you here. I'll explain it a bit more. Now, what is the area of this thing? Did it tell you? Did it tell you what's the area? Can you find the area? 8 times 8, right? So, 8 times 8 equals to 64 square centimeters. How about this? They give you the area also, right? 10 and 12. So, this is 120 square centimeters. Can you add it up? Okay, so 120 plus 64. What is 120 plus 64? No marker. Total area of A and B before overlap is 120 plus 64 equals to 184 square centimeters. Alright. So what is it now? 184 square centimeters. So how do you get this? Now I'll teach you, okay? 23 and 84. Wow, doesn't seem like you know times what, right? So what must you do? You need to take 184, the bigger number, divided by the smaller number. Okay, and you can, you can't use a calculator for this, but don't worry, I mean, let's use a calculator for this. Okay, what times what? Okay. Very nice number, times 8. So this is times 8, times 8 as well. Okay, 17 times 8. 136. So now, the unshaded area, the total unshaded area, this plus this is 136. Okay, I want to show you this. This is the unshaded area. This plus this is 136. Okay. Now this comes the difficult part. Who's playing emojis? Hey, when I'm teaching Kaiser, you start doing that again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ban you from the chat. Okay? Can I have a yes from Kaiser? Aries as well? Jonas as well? Can you all stop that? That's the last chance. Okay, so now, if the total unshaded area is 136 square centimeters, how, okay, the question is, what is the question? The question is, write down the ratio of the shaded area. You want the shaded area to total area of square A and triangle B before overlap. Okay, so total area before overlap. And you know what's the total area before overlap as well. You know that this is 184, right? But how do I find the shaded area? I'm sorry, 184 square centimeters. But how do I find the shaded area? That is the question, the big question. Remember just now what I told you about 2 times overlap. We are going to find out what is the overlap now. Okay? How? Okay. We're going to pretend, oops, like this. So like this here. Okay. Now we're going to use this problem again. Let's say I don't know what is HCM. I don't know that this is HCM. I know that this is 12. I know that this is 12. And I know that 40. Okay. So I'm going to draw here, okay? 12 plus 12 plus what equals to 40. I know that this is 24, right? Plus what equals to 40. I want to find out what is this. My intention is to find out the overlap, and I cancel 8. So I can't use 8. So now 24 plus what is 40? 16, right? How do I get 16 from 8? I have to divide by 2. Okay, so remember just now, what we did was 12 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8. Correct? 12 plus 8 plus 12 plus 8 equals to 40. But now, what happens is that 40 minus 24 is 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. Remember, there's 2 times overlap. So, I don't want to erase much. So, go ahead, erase this, okay? So what happens is very simple. I want to take let's use red. I want to find the overlap now. So I want to take 184 square centimeters, which is the total area of A and B before overlap, right? Minus unshaded area. Remember my unshaded area was 12 and 12 for the previous example. Now minus 136 equals to also 48. But don't forget 2 times overlap. So I need to take 48 square centimeters divided by 2 equals to 24 square centimeters. And the overlap is 24 square centimeters. But don't forget, they ask you shaded area. So it's 24 to 184. Alright, and what is the, how do you get this into a simplest form? What's the answer for this? Let's just check. I believe it's divide by 8, right? Okay. This becomes divide by 8. Divide by 8. This is 3 to 23. There's a final answer. Okay, divide by 8, divide by 3 to 23. Okay, in my in the working which I wrote down for you in the SLS, I show you a shorter way, and the very simple way is this: 17 to 23. 23 minus 17 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it's 3 to 23. Okay, that's a much simpler way. You don't have to involve all these calculations. Okay, Now, before we log off for today I've done what I wanted to do for here. Um, all of you take 2 minutes, go and take a look at chapter. Sorry, what's this? Solving word problems. I practice 4. Okay, solving word problems, and you tell me now on your chat. Is there any problems that you don't understand? Because I gave you the answer, I wrote down the solutions for you. Is there anybody who did not understand the questions here? Anybody who did not answer the questions here? I expect question 13, but anybody? You need me to do with you because I have another lesson at 9:30 with my primary sixes. But sometime so I can explain to you if you want to. Okay, all take a look at your practice 4. If there's anything you want me to go through, tell me now. Jonas, question 6. Jonas, you do your corrections. Oh, okay, it's more than 2 people. Never mind, come. Where is this? Okay, let's do question 6 then. We're doing this question now. Alright, question 6, this question, okay? Yeah? Make sure this is the one, huh? Okay, 6 and 13. Let's go through 6 and 13. Can I ask, do you all have any other online lesson for at 9 o'clock? Where your teacher needs you to be there? Any online question? Any online? I don't think I saw that you have. So let's go with this, okay? Okay, question 6. Herman had 198 game cards at first. 198. He gave away 54 cards to his friends. So minus 54. So what's 198 minus 54? 144. So 144 is he left 144 cards, right? So find the ratio of the number of cards Herman gave away to number of cards he had left. What's the issue? How many cards did he give away? 54. How many cards he had left? 144. What's the problem with that? We'll just start dividing all the way down. Sorry, give me a minute. Okay, so 154 to 144. Let's see whether you can divide by 4, okay? Cannot. So let's divide by 2, okay? Oh no, you can divide by 6. 144 can divide by 6 as well. Okay, 144 divided by 6. Okay, so divide by 6, divide by 6. This is 9 to 24. And you know you can divide some more. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. This is 3 to 8. So that's the answer. Okay? Yeah? 3 to 8. Okay, let's go to question 13 now. Okay, quite simple this one. Another overlap question. Okay. Rectangle A overlaps square B as shown. This is question. Rectangle A overlaps square B as shown. Let's color overlap, shall we? The ratio of the area of, use black, neutral color, huh? Area of A to shaded to area of B. So what is it? Is 6 to 1 to 4. Alright? The area of rectangle A is 36 square centimeters. Just now I what? 2 times overlap. Okay, don't forget the 2 times overlap rule. Okay, 36. So very simple. Let's find out everything else, okay? If 6, this is times 6, right? So times 6 equals to 6 square centimeters times 6 equals to 24 square centimeters. Okay, so this area of A, the whole thing, is 36. Area of B is 24. Now, find the area of the whole figure. Now, what is the area of the whole figure? Did they ask to separate? No. What happens here? What happens to overlap? I want you to take a very close look at this, okay? And see, 6 square centimeters. Here's 6 square centimeters. I want you to focus on A now. If this is 6 square centimeters, what's here on the outside? 36. Are you sure it's 36? No. Because it is just 36 minus 6 equals to 30 square centimeters. Can you see it? So this is 30 and this is 6. So it makes it 36. Understand? Now, what about B? Let's focus on B. Area of B is 24 square centimeters. What about this area? How? What is it? 24 minus 6 is 18 square centimeters. Got it? 18. Alright, here, 18. So if this is 18 square centimeters plus 6 square centimeters, it becomes 24 square centimeters, right? Okay, so the whole thing B is 24 square centimeters. So very simple. How do we find the area of the whole figure? Just add 30 plus 6 plus 18. What is that? 30 plus 6 plus 18. 34. Now, why did I say something about 2 times overlap? Very simple. Okay, look, when there's an overlap, all you need to do, a lot of you did this 36 plus 24, and that gave you 60, right? 36 plus 24 is 60, but it's not. Why? Because you need to take away 1 overlap. You realize this is not 2 overlaps. You need to take away 1 overlap. All right. Easiest thing to do, take 2 pieces of paper, like this. Go and overlap and find out why is this actually. Now, what Mr. Tan did, very simple. I saw A like this. I know that I need to find this part. Okay, think of it as three different parts now. 1, 2, 3. So once I knew that, area of B, 24, is 24 minus 6 is 18 square centimeters. Okay? How do you get 24 square centimeters? 4 times 6. Okay, can see? 4 times 6, 24. Because this is 36. Pay attention, Max. 6 times 6 is 36 square centimeters. Shader is 1 times 6, 6 square centimeters, and 4 times area of B, 4 times 6 is 24 square centimeters. Alright. Okay, I'm going to end this live stream now. So please, those of you who are here, wake up early. Wake up before 8. Go and sign in. Okay, and go for the first lessons. All right. Okay. See you. When's the next? Wait. Let's just remind. When is my next P5 Resilience Math? Oh, Monday and Wednesday. Okay. What is the homework? I'm not sure if I mentioned the homework. Yeah, I'll say it now. The homework, if you look at announcements, is circles. Hey, what circles? Ratio topical worksheet. Okay, you know which one? Let me show you. This one. Okay, ratio topical worksheet. Zen, you might not have yours because yours is in the mail. All right, so do this. I'll give you 2 days. Then on Monday, we'll go through this. Give a mark and I'll give the answers and we'll go through. All right. All right, please go and do your work. Okay, bye-bye.